There's a question that's how was the Avocademy curriculum? I don't know how you all want to answer that, but go for it.
I think that it really, especially if like the foundations, it really covered, I mean, it truly is its foundations. It really covers a lot of the different processes and the different methods as you're going through. I would be curious to go back and look and see what it looks like now, because I'm sure that there's so much more to it now than there was back then. But it's a lot of the, the research and the methods and all of the things that you need to know, and maybe not quite as much as like the software focus on it, but the actual methodology, it's all there.
Yeah, it's probably like 10 times better than when you guys went through it. And that's because I have a whole team of people updating it quarterly. The foundations program has a set of like 22 activities. So that's still like the same, right? You're going through the entire process. And then before you do the activity, there's there's a video for every lesson, which you didn't used to be when you guys went through it. And there's like a bunch of content you can go through, as well as like unlimited mentor sessions. You can jump on like a Zoom call with a mentor who will help you through the work. But yeah, that's the structure for CJ, which is the next question, which is different than when you guys went through as well. There's the first 2 weeks are advanced design skills. So we're spending a lot of time teaching you all components, auto layout, like all of the skills that you all talked about, like maybe not feeling super sure about. And we did that all based off of the feedback of grads that were like, oh, I kind of struggled with this, or I kind of, needed some help with that. So we spend 2 weeks on advanced design skills and then 2 months on the real world projects before you start applying for a job.